Rain or shine, the operator of this Clark 175B works in comfortable surroundings. Ease of operation permits him to control the load from the stockpile to the truck body accurately and effortlessly. His working environment is convenient, quiet, and safe. Controls are readily at hand. Instrumentation is complete. Both visual and audible warnings are provided. This large quarry utilizes the mobility of its 275 to scurry from stockpile to stockpile to deliver high-volume production. From stripping overburden to loading out ag lime, Clark's family of tractor shovels provide a complete system of machines to move more material. Sand and gravel operations call for top-of-the-line mobility for charging hoppers, stockpiling, and loading out trucks. For many years, Clark tractor shovels have been a favorite on the contractor's job site. On this interstate highway job, a 275 works at a rock cut, loading out abrasive Georgia granite. Durability, high productivity, economy of operation. These qualities of Clark tractor shovels make many jobs affordable and profitable. Recycling used concrete, for example. In this case, a Clark 175B moves it from the waste material pile into the hopper, where it will be recycled for use as base material. With bucket capacities from 4.5 to 6 cubic yards, the 175 combines power and capacity for plenty of production. At steel mills, you'll find Clark tractor shovels loading out slag. Some of the slag will be recycled for use at the mill, and some for aggregate. Clark tractor shovels serve a wide variety of applications handling industrial and chemical materials. A major salt producer depends on this 275B to stockpile and load out road salt. When heavy winter weather is expected, the machine is challenged to meet peak surges in the operation. While this machine stays on top of the job, a second Clark 275 works 1,200 feet below the surface, loading blasted salt into haulers. The owner cited reliability as a major reason for selecting a Clark tractor shovel in this application. The machine was lowered into the mine in several components, then reassembled. Again, the machine is matched to the job and to the bottom dump haulers. Today, our energy needs are once again directing our attention to coal. But many stripping techniques of the past are no longer acceptable. Anticipating the coal industry's need for machines that would make surface mining practical, economical, and environmentally sound, Clark led the way to larger, more powerful, more productive tractor shovels. 18, 22, up to 36 cubic yards of coal handling capacity. These machines have made possible revolutionary changes in mining methods, from the first blast to the final reclamation. Refined power distribution, good geometry, durability, and easy serviceability. These same principles make Clark tractor shovels the innovative leaders in modern coal mining. The operation is carefully planned to reduce the double handling of material. This demands daily administration, teamwork, and timing, and the right size tractor shovel matched to many jobs. When it comes to land productivity, this type of mining merely interrupts the harvesting of the surface crop temporarily in order to harvest the coal crop below. In other areas, non-productive land is made productive. This 275 is loading out coal from a glory hole. Its size and productivity make it the ideal machine to work in the limited space available this early in the operation. Trucks will transport it to a temporary stockpiling area or the tipple itself. At a nearby location, a Clark 475B removes overburden in a load and carry operation. This 475 is typical of Clark's ability to tailor its machines to the application. The tractor shovel incorporates several power refinements to make it even more effective for load and carry work. The material moves straight from the face to the spoil area. Within reasonable distances, load and carry is the most efficient way to move more material on level or near level surfaces. As the grade or distance increases, the tractor shovel and truck haul method is employed to maintain that same job efficiency. Here's how one mine operator describes his operation.
With this method of manning, we have stripped over 100 foot in depth for 4 foot of coal. Without large tractor shovels and trucks to haul it away to utilize the cost of the overburden to be efficient, we couldn't go these depths. This allows us to go as deep as an 18 or 20 yard drag line. You couldn't move an 18 or 20 yard drag line in for a small block of coal that only has 300 to 700,000 ton, because the cost would prohibit it. The time of 8 or 10 months to assemble a machine of that size would prohibit it. But we can move in these smaller areas, man these smaller blocks of coal that's 50 to 80 to 90 foot in depth, and do it in an efficient manner and reclaim the land and move out to the next block. And you're mobile. You can move in a 2 or 3 day period from one job to the other. That's maybe 10 miles down the road.
Clark tractor shovels are busy handling coal as finished material as this valuable fuel moves from mine to end user. The operator of this 475B likes the well-thought-out service points that permit him to complete the daily walk-around in a few minutes, with most checkpoints located on the platform. The machine is equipped with high-lift arms and a 22 cubic yard coal bucket for loading out stockpiled coal. It's capable of filling a rail car in 4 fast passes. The operator works with extra efficiency, since radio control permits him to move the train as he fills one car after another. You'll find Clark tractor shovels at barge shipping points as well, where moving more material is still the key to productivity. Mine operators today are concerned about the environment. What's more, they're doing something about it. To them, reclaiming land means more than just restoring it. Often the acreage is in better, more usable condition than before it was mined. Land for recreation, pasture, forests, and harvestable crops. It's being accomplished thanks to people with a concern and the machines to accomplish the job. The Clark family of tractor shovels comprises a complete system for modern surface mining. And even now, Clark leadership is working closely with the coal industry to develop even more effective, economical ways to mine and move this fuel. Throughout the world, Clark's commitment to supporting machines in the field is well known. Dealers and distributors share this commitment. They appreciate the importance of keeping your machines productive. They have the trained, skilled people and equipment to provide service whenever it's required. They also maintain an extensive inventory of parts. If the part isn't available locally, the request receives high priority treatment. Clark Parts Support has earned an international reputation for fast, dependable parts distribution. The ability to get parts quickly, wherever they are needed, has set a standard in the industry. Wherever you are, Clark speaks your language.
Ďalej by som chcel podotknúť, že treba colné prehlásenie k tomu.
Qu'est-ce que je peux faire pour vous? Je peux vous en renseigner peut-être?
Oh, buongiorno signore Agliate. Sì?
Productive, durable machines. Mobile, versatile, transportable, from cutting edge to drawbar, designed and built by the innovative leader to meet your needs of today and tomorrow. A complete family of tractor shovels with the ruggedness, economy of operation, and capacity to perform profitably. Top-of-the-line production for you.